Hello guys, how are you?
Hello.
Hi, bro.
Hi, I'm expecting replay from 28 members in the session. Hello guys, how are you doing? How was your exams went? Let's be interactive, don't take it as a formal session. Let's be as free as possible. Don't take it as an official session.
Bro,
Though it was
actually, I
an
come from
official
first
session.
year.
Huh?
Actually, I come from first year, bro.
Yeah, I had great.
The fresher.
Yeah. Welcome to VIT, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Okay. How many members of you know about DSC, Developer Students Club? Do all of you know about it? Yeah, great. Two members raise their hands. Great. Okay, first let me introduce what actually DSC is and then let's go jump into Android study gems. Okay, DSC is nothing but Developer Students Club. It is launched by Google, uh, and it was only the groups which are there in the officially recognized colleges of Google, and there are only 286, nearly approximately 286 colleges around India, and globally there are around 1,000 colleges in which there are DSCs, and these DSCs are officially the community groups where they can learn, they can interact with each other, and they can grow together. And the main motive is uh, to grow together through the community leads. And in the same way, we introduced in the last couple of months, we introduced 30 days of Google Cloud, where few nearly 20 participants has received their swags. And current in present, we are starting with Android Study Gems. Okay, and the Google has selected one facilitator from our college of the Chandu, and he's going to facilitate for Android Study Gems. Chandu, are you there?
Yeah, good evening, guys. Am I audible?
Yes.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, Chandu.
I think we should not expect any replay from participants. Just we need to continue ourselves and just watch it as a movie.
Okay.
We watch it like a movie.
Entertain, and love it.
Yeah.
Today,
Yeah.
my
I
name is
think
Chandu.
there was a background sound going on your side, I guess.
Oh, yeah. There is a marriage on this day only. They
Okay.
are
Continue.
celebrating it, so we can't disturb them now.
Okay. Continue.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Chandu. I'm from CSC third year. Today, I'm here to facilitate the Android study jams. So this is the introductory session so that we can continue other sessions and we will learn more about it and interact more, learn more, love more, educate more. Okay, today this is about what are Android study jams. So first let know about study jams. Study jams are the community or group of some people to learn or to achieve something or to discuss something or to get uh, grouply or in a team manner. So this is Android study jams. Android study jams is about learning Android, not something new. Android applications, making of Android applications, and develop them, use them, and apply to our daily problems. and etc. So let introduce Android. Android is a mobile operating system as we all use in mobiles and as a application, and we can also use Android in TV, and it is made for many devices to use. So it is mainly based on Linux. So it first it was developed by Palo Alto and in California. So after that, in 2005, Google had purchased it and made it its own. So Android is worked under OHA, that is Open Handset Alliance. So what is Open Handset Alliance? It is a community or group of some companies which make the standards and which make the use of it and develop it and make some particular things, and they made to use them all. So it consists of that open handset consists of HTC, Sony, Dell, Intel, and many companies. There are 34 members. So let's know about Android versions. Android versions. What is the Android version used by you? First Android version. Can I know? Or which year you used the Android?
Mine is Android 5.
Android 5. You are from 2014. Next,
I
KitKat.
used an Android KitKat.
Android KitKat 2013. Any older versions? Any 2, 1.6?
I
Bro,
experienced
mine is
JB
Android
Box
10.
only.
Not so.
I
Mine is
experienced JB
2.3.
only.
Yeah, mine is Dabba Mobile, which I used in 2010. At which I am fifth or sixth class, I think. On that day onwards, I am using Android. So many versions are came into Android. It started with 1.2, and the current version is 11. There are many less phones with Android version 11, so we can make a current version as 10, so that it working on many mobiles and used by many mobiles. So another we can see on the screen. Next, how the Android work? Android work with framework. The framework consists of activity manager, content provider, resource manager, notification manager, view system. These are the main 5 parts of the framework. So activity manager, this uses the maintaining of activity, using, working, and testing and debugging includes in this Android activity manager. So content provider, it provides the content or what we want to search and what we want to retrieve the data. So it works with content provider. Resource manager, it includes images and all videos, photos, all things which we want to store and retrieve or use the data. It consists of resource manager. Notification manager, it notifies us what is new updates. We can get notified updates and in many other things by notification manager. View system, what we see is maintained by view system. The Android also consists of libraries. Some main libraries are media, what we videos, audio, all sort of things. Surface manager, display, and SGL, OpenGL, language cross platforms, 2D, 3D graphics, SQLite, which mainly a database, WebKit, we use web browsers and web engine, search engines, and all like that. Secure sockets layer, we can encrypted networks. The what we see from our mobile, we cannot, another person cannot see it from this. Everyone has individual layers so that they can see and they can watch only on privately. Linux kernel, mainly Android mainly works mainly is developed by extension of kernel. Let's know what is kernel. Kernel is a kernel acts as mediator between both user and hardware, so that it interacts with user and hardware to provide what we want or what we search, information gathering, and all. The main applications of a kernel are security, memory management, process management, network stack, driver model. The security, same like providing privacy. Main kernel providing privacy and uh, interaction also will memory management. How we use memory, 8 GB, 10 GB. That all memory management is done by memory. And process management, how we touch screen and all go to another slide and use slide apps and all come under process management. Network stack, it effectively handles the network communication. What we connect to servers and all satellites to get information. It all under comes under network stack. Driver model, with Google Drive and all storing devices, drivers, and we update drivers, audio drivers, video drivers, all are managed by driver model. The main features of Android: beautiful UI. We get the different and attractive UI by using Android, and all other made applications are not that much attractive. So we can also use many view models and all like that by using Android. Connectivity, we can connect to many devices by Android. Media support, we can get media, photos, videos, download, upload, and all like that. Storage, we can store the data and retrieve when we want. Messaging, we can message to one another. Web browser, we can use search engines to search the data what we want. Multitasking, we can use dual apps at a same time. Wi-Fi direct, we can also connect to Wi-Fi. Android Beam is a layer which provides a connection between one Android device to another Android device. Advantages of Android: it is open source, which we can use easily, and we can connect to one another easily. Reduced cost of development, by using Android we can reduce the cost of development. Inter-app integration, we can integrate to one another. User friendly, we should not not want knowledge to use the Android. We can smoothly and easily use it. Easy adoption, we can easily adopt it. Multitasking, we can use multi apps and dual apps. And free applications, we can get free applications from Play Store and all like that. The main languages used by Android are Kotlin, Java, C++, C#, Python. Firstly it was Java was the official language for Android, and then it made to Kotlin. Kotlin is same as like Android, open source and statically typed language. It is first made for in running on Java virtual machine, and it has separate virtual machine to run Kotlin. It is mainly focused on safety, clarity, and tooling support. Advantages of Kotlin: easy to learn, as it adopts from all syntaxes from C, C++, and Java, so that we can easily learn the Kotlin. Less code and lightweight, we use less text to code something, so that it will be lightweight and we can easily know about code. Secure, it provides security. Java compatibility, we can execute Java and Kotlin combinedly, and if we want only Kotlin also, we can use the Kotlin another. So null safety, Kotlin provides null safety. It means there will be no null values or another null spaces to the variables, and we cannot apply null values to the variables. Fewer professionals, Kotlin has less professional, as it is a new language. If we adopt to the Kotlin language, so that we can advance in the Kotlin language, so that we will get the value, and we can fastly develop in the career. Kotlin, as you see the image, many Android developers are running on Kotlin, so that many companies which are shifted their Java code to Kotlin, so that Kotlin is evolving language. Let's come to our program. Our program consists of mainly two tracks: new to programming track and prior programming experience track. So that in new to programming, we do not want any prerequisites, so that we can dive into it without any knowledge, and only basic skills of using computer and using web browser is needed. And in prior programming experience, we need to know about all syntaxes and all UIs, how to use widgets and all we should know about to go into the prior programming experience. New to program as a prerequisites are only basic computer and basic math skills and using of browser. In new to program, there are 6 sections. There are 6 sections. First section is introduction to Kotlin. In Kotlin introduction, we'll learn about syntaxes and how to declare variables and how to run code and all we'll learn in introduction to Kotlin. Create your first Android app. In this, we'll create the first Android app using simple UIs and how in Android Studio we will use it. So how to run and how to make it, we'll learn in create your first Android app. Build a basic layout. In this, we learn about layouts of adding text, images, and all etc. Add a button to an app. In this, we'll add buttons and click on button and to get output and how the button works and all. Get user input. In this, how to give input and take output, we will learn in get user input. Display scroll bar list. In this, we will display the scroll bar up and down and see the information by using scroll bars. Prior programming experience. In this, the prerequisites are the knowing about object-oriented programming language and familiar with IDE and familiar with GitHub. In this, there are mainly 10 tracks. 10 tracks. The 10 tracks build your first Android app. In this we will build the app, build an interactive app. We go with interaction between input and taking output, layouts. And fourth was the navigation, how to navigate or connect to one path to another path and shift from one screen to another screen. Activity and fragment life skills. In this we will track the sessions and where to go, when to go. Architecture components. We'll use another live data and view models to get the app and build the application. And database and recycler. We'll use database of storing and connecting. And connect to internet. In this, we will connect to the internet and how to get data or how to upload and all. Repository and work management. In this, we will make the work and how the background works, and we will make a clear and list of how the Android works. Design for everyone. In this, we will design another advanced app so that it will be looking attractive and made as professional. And all this, by using all this, we'll learn Kotlin and we will get the like badges for completion of every track. There will be batches at the end of we can add these batches to our Google developer profile so that we will get like this badges. So we can add and it will add a weightage to our resume. And as Kotlin is a new language, if we advance and if we make it our own language and prior language, we can have a good future, and many companies are waiting for this to have a professionals from this. And we'll jump into the site. This is a site where we are learning from. It is this all information is provided by Google developers and their communities. This we are in new to programming track. We'll start with new to programming track. In new to programming track, there will be unit 1 and unit 2. Unit 1 will be Kotlin basics for Android layouts. We need to complete this all tracks. By completing one track, we will get one batch from each track. So first Android basics to introduction. We want to explore. It consists of 4 steps.
Just a minute, Chandu, just a minute. I will share the link.
Okay.
Guys, please check the chat. I have sent some links. It consists of total 3 links: track 1, track 2, and Kotlin cons. Yeah, Chandra is currently explaining track 1 YouTube programming. Yeah, continue, Chandra.
In this we are 4 steps. In every step we will be having a one quiz, so that we can test our knowledge, and if we get something wrong we can learn from first onwards, or where we left we can learn from them. I mean, welcome to 100. There will be one introduction video, and all the next there will be another videos, and in write your first program in Kotlin will take code lab. It will take to another page where we learn all resources there will be. We need to read and know about this, and we can practice. There will be a Kotlin playground where we can run programs without installing anything there. Let's see about basic syntaxes. Let's try with print. Let's try to print it. It is showing the error. It means it is not a loosely typed language like Python. So we need to use main functions and all declarations. Let's try to run it. Same error. So it is also case sensitive language. So we need to use where to use capital letters and where to use small letters. No main method. So M also is there. Hello world. Here we have printed. So we need to take consideration of case sensitivity and keywords used for definition, and it consists of main functions like we see in C. So we can also use many print statements. Hello world. Let's try to print. So the output is like they are printing in same line. So if we want to print in another line, we can use print ln, so that we can get the output in 2 different lines. So here we can see that the output is in another line. So it in unit 1 we also use repeat function. By using this repeat function we can repeat the output how many times we want. Let's try repeat 5. Answer is solved. There will be some another syntax, I think. So we can know about
Small
this
p.
syntax in small
Small
p.
p.
Okay. We can see that high. If you want to get in another line, we can use another line. Here we can know 5 print. How many times we enter the number in repeat function, that many times we can get the output. And we can also use functions. Here the sum is. So we can use functions. In unit 1, we all use it, this type of declaration and printing functions and repeat function and adding and another functions. We can use this link. Venki, did you send this link in group, message group? Venkatesh,
Yes.
are you sending or did you send?
Yeah, I have sent.
Okay. We can use this page to run code and practice code so that we do not have download another installations or any further downloads. So we can have a reading session and we can know about another how to print and all. We can get errors. We can learn from mistakes only. So there will be some problem in middle or starting. Will for every path in that one section there will be a solution code provided. If you do not get the code, so that you can see it in the solution code and you can try and have changes to it and practice more. So some codes will be provided in the free way or another will be provided in GitHub link. So we have another, write your first program, create birthday message. It is a end of the first, and we will have the quiz section like this. We can answer and we'll complete the quiz. After completing of this quiz, we'll get the batches, so that we can add that badges in the, they will directly come to the batches section, so we can have a batches in it. So there will be another. So in the first unit we have Android basics, create up, Android basics, build a basic layout, add a button. We need to complete this unit 1 in 2 or 3 days, and in after 2 days we will have a session on this unit 2, so that we can in following 2 days everyone should complete this four tracks, so that everyone should get these 4 batches. So all we get is knowledge about it, and we will have another sessions on every other track and every other concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the group, so that the basic requirements we after completing the first one, so we need to install Android. So I recommend that while using Android, don't use Chrome, use another browser like Edge or Firefox, so that while using Chrome and Android Studio at a time, it can crash your computer. It is widely not recommended, so that use another browser and have an Android Studio. Let's go with Android Studio. Android Studio projects consists of mainly four. First, it consists of app and Gradle scripts. Gradle scripts are known for background and how we background applications or background resources so that it will helpful to run the app. Let's go into app. App consists of manifest, Java, Java generated resources. So in resources, there are drawable layout, map values. In drawable section, we can add images or any other photos which will be used in app layout. In this, we can add layout. So that main activity main external is a layout. It consists of two layouts. First is a visible screen. It is a layered screen. So that it consists of layering and all. So we need to install this Android Studio in third step, I think. So if any doubts with Android Studio or any installing and all, we can provide information in Google. So by this, everyone, I have completed. So we have decided tentative schedule. So from unit 1 to unit 2, you should complete unit 2 by 22. So there will be another session on unit 2 on 22. So today is 19. In 2 days, you need to complete unit 1. And that there will be another track Kotlin codes and prior to programming experience. So everyone should complete unit 1 by 22. On that day, we will have another session on unit 2. There will be, at last, there will be a certification on this Android study jams, so that everyone will get certificate by completing prior to programming track only, not to the new to programming track. So there is recommendation of completing both tracks. Okay, let's complete this. Thank you.
Bro, I have a small doubt, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, to do any homework in this?
I didn't get you.
When should we do any work in home? We should do any homework?
Yeah,
There is nothing like
I will tell you about it. Yeah, just a minute, Chandu.
Okay.
Yeah, go to that PPT and go to the tentative schedule. Let's discuss some deep into it. Yeah, there is actually there are two tracks: new to programming and prior to programming track. Yeah, new to programming is all about if you don't have a good skills in Android development, we recommend you to take new to programming. And the prior to programming is if you have already knowledge on Android development, then you are supposed to take prior to programming. But we recommend you to take new to programming because Kotlin is new for everyone, even Chindu and for me and for everyone. We recommend you to take new to programming track. And after that new to programming track, new to program just a minute, Chindu. New to programming track will complete by 25th. New to programming track will complete on 25th. And next on 26th, we are going to discuss about Kotlin codes. Those are nothing but the basics of Kotlin. Not only basics, the depth concepts of Kotlin. We are going to discuss about those. And on after 1 week, that is uh, on 2nd of January, we are going to start prior to programming track. I think there is a date mistake there. And we will be doing prior to programming language 2 units and per week 1 unit. That means we are going to complete the 2 units in 2 weeks. So that by the end of 16th, you are going to complete the whole Android and you are going to build few amazing apps. Okay, where to keep those amazing apps? We don't find any platform, right? You have to showcase your skills by building new apps. So we are going to host a contest. Not only us, the whole Google company is going to host an amazing event called Google Solution Challenge 2021. That is going to be in the year 2021. And actually, what is it? What is this solution challenge? So from every DSE, we are going to take some. We are going to build some amazing apps, and we are sending that to Google, and Google will analyze the apps and code performance and everything, and they give results to us. And for every country, they are going to select only 10 apps, and they are going to give some prize money and rewards to them. So it's an amazing opportunity for everyone. So don't waste it. Use this Android Study Jams. It's not only for showcasing some skills. You can also build up your career into it. Android, you can get more depth concepts, everything in this schedule. And these concepts are not designed by us. It was totally designed by Google. You can also watch the videos in the like I have sent some links, right? You can watch through the links, and you have to complete unit one. In track one there are 2 units, I guess, and you have to complete unit one within 2 days. That is by 21st, and we are going to host a session on 22nd. Yeah, on 22nd. Everything is clear till now, guys. Expecting a reply from you.
Yeah, bro, it's clear.
Yeah, only one guy replied.
Please share
Uh,
these links in official group also, right?
Yeah, actually, I want to make a separate group for the those guys who joined. I don't want to waste my time and others' time with these people.
Yeah, okay.
Pranav, make a separate group for these members and send the link here. And please, guys, don't share these links with anyone.
Sure,
Can you
bro.
guys send the link of the video that can help us? Yeah, sure. You can find that video, everything in the tracks you have selected.
There will be introduction video for every track
Every track,
or
and
every
there will
step.
be every unit there will be some videos, and you will be guided entirely through it. Uh, and there were some amazing tutors in the tracks. You can get into them. It can also there are mainly two speakers, I guess, in the CatCon, and I don't know another girl's name. You can actually contact them through LinkedIn or any social platform if you really have a good doubt, and they are always ready to guide you through the Kotlin. And guys, from next session, you have to get ready with the Android Studio. I hope you have
Installed.
laptops and yeah, I hope you have laptops and desktop with you. You have to install Android Studio, or else there is an alternative if you have a low-end PC or a laptop. That is VS Code. You can install some extensions of VS
Extensions.
Code, and you can use similar, like it is like Android Studio, but not exactly like Android Studio. We will share the link in the group. Yeah, Pranav, are you there?
Yeah, bro. Just a second.
Yeah, please create a WhatsApp group for these members and send the group link here. And I don't want to see. And guys, I really request you to please don't send this link to anyone, because those guys are not interested. Why we have to waste the link for them? And really, we have a good number of registrations, nearly 110. I thought to bring up a good speakers from the industry, but let's see what happened. I can see only 25 participants. Understood. Really, share. And group, and don't share the link with anyone. Please, it's a request. And guys, Uh, for staying this meet for this long time, I want to share one amazing badge.
Venkatesh, your voice is breaking.
This badge, is DSC member. Member of DSC, you are getting badge. Yes. Okay.
It is a redeem link so that you can have a batch of core team, DSC core team batch. You can add it in Google Developer profile. So you need to first create the profile of Google developers.
Hello, am I audible now? Hello.
Yeah, Venkatesh, it is clear now.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, I have shared one link. You can redeem your member badge, DC member. You get a good amount of weightage to your resume. Uh, I think Chandu has gone through that Google developer profile. It is nothing but the
Will be
profile which was built Google developer, and it is beta version, and we can expect many features from there. Soon, we can add auto Android. Chandu, can you mute your mic, please? Yeah. Go to the platform, Google developer profile. Yeah, you can see all. Chandu has got few Android badges there. You can see all of the badges here. Here I think he has done only few codes. Yeah, guys, any more doubts here? Or can you use some few other things? So
Sorry, it's asking for a enter batch code.
yeah, I think badge code you can find in the URL. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah,
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you.
directly click on the link. Directly redirect you to the and guys, share anyone. I think they don't really. And the next things we are going to send all the important links in the groups and kindly guys be interactive with each other, know each other, and build our skills together. If you guys really want some another kind of culture which is not really there in the VJIT, we are ready to introduce those culture in our college. The only thing we are lagging is the support from students, not from management. Support.
Venkatesh, you were not clear. Can you repeat it?
Yeah, just a minute. I will join once again. Hello, am I audible now?
Yeah, Venkatesh. Yeah,
Yeah,
you were.
yes. I really want a good amount of participation from you because if you want to move forward, you guys need to be very active, and we hope at least I can see the 27 members. In those 27 members, 2 to 3 members are from the core team of DFC, and I think only 23 members are the participants. I expect every 23 members to participate and join the WhatsApp group and discuss with each other. If you have any doubts, put it in the chat. We are ready to help you. And yeah, only thing we need is 100% participation from you. That's it. Yeah, anything more?
Hmm. Not everyone will get this opportunity. So
Yes.
please utilize it keenly and
And I think many people think this is a premium that is you have to pay for this. No, there is nothing like that. You can get all the DSC's resources or uh, like these sessions for free. There is nothing to expect from that. And after you build the you build the amazing apps, you can share with us. Uh, if possible, we will share those with Google developers in Google developer blogs. It's really an amazing opportunity for you guys. Yeah. Any more doubts from you guys? Come on, let's be interactive, right? There are only 27 numbers. Everything clear?
Speak out.
Yes, Venkatesh.
Guys, how many members do you know Telugu?
Bro,
Telugu.
It's clear,
Yeah, yes.
brother.
అర్థమైందండి.
డెవలపర్ ఫైల్ అనేది ప్రైవేట్ ఉండొచ్చా పబ్లిక్ ఉండొచ్చా?
Yeah, currently it is private mode.
ప్రైవేట్ అంటే
It is
ఇప్పుడు
not
ఇంకా
in the public. It is just in
Beta
the beta
version.
version, right? Beta. It is in testing version. But we can utilize this. If you find the bugs, you can report them to Google.
Sure.
ఎనీ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్
Right.
ఆల్సో.
Yeah, sure.
I know Telugu. Yeah, come on. If you find any bug or if you need any feature, you can directly report to Chandu. Can you please mute? Yeah, if you find any bug or anything, if you want to add any feature, you can directly mail to Google developers. You can find mail some their mail some yeah, submit feedback.
సో
You can use that button and you can share your experience with the platform. Yeah, guys, we have more 8 minutes left. Anything to discuss? Let's be interactive. Yeah, bro, should we have to do any homework regarding Kotlin language? Yeah, you have to complete unit 1.
వెంకటేష్ 1 minute.
Yeah, please mute you.
ఓకే, దీన్ని ఎవరు హోంవర్క్ మేము ఇది చెయ్యాలి చేయకపోతే ఒకరు కొడతారు అని ఆ బాధతో ఎవరు చేయని అవసరం లేదు. మీరు ఇష్టంగా నేర్చుకోవాలని చేస్తే దాన్ని అసలు హోంవర్క్ అని కూడా అనరు. మీరు ఎట్లని ఇప్పుడు కాలేజ్కి వస్తలేరు, సో ఇంట్లో ఉండే చేసేదాన్ని హోంవర్క్ అని అనుకోకండి. సో మంచిగా చేస్తూ నేర్చుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం నేర్చుకున్నారంటే తర్వాత ముందు ఇంకొంచెం ఏమన్నా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. సో మీ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మీద ఉంటది. ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నదే చేసి నేను సర్టిఫికేట్ తెచ్చుకుంటా అంటే మీ ఇష్టం, తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. లేదా ఉన్నదాన్ని ఇంకొంచెం ఎక్కువ యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకొని నేను ఇంకొంచెం ఎక్కువ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తా అనుకుంటే అప్పుడు కూడా మా కో టీం నుంచి ఫుల్ సపోర్ట్ మీకు ఉంటుంది.
Bro, to which programming
Yeah.
language we can relate this code in?
Just I didn't get you, Rahul.
To which programming language we can relate it, sir?
Can you put your question in the chat? I think there is some
డిస్టర్బెన్స్.
no disturbance again. If you're not,
ఎనీ అదర్ డౌట్స్ ఫ్రమ్?
yeah, actually, Abhinav asked the question.
యా
Do you have to do any homework? Actually, you have to complete unit 1 in track 1 by 2 days. Within 2 days. Within 2 days, you have to
దట్ ఈస్
complete
23rd.
track 1. Sorry, track 1. In track 1, you have to complete unit 1, and it is
Only
really simple. There is nothing you have to worry about it. If you have any doubts, you can call me and you can ask me. I'm giving you the assurance. Call me or Chandu, anyone. We are ready to help you throughout this
Yeah, bro.
study.
Can we relate this
Yeah.
Kotlin language to any programming language that we know?
సి.
Yeah, if you know C language perfectly, you can relate it to something. The syntaxes are really similar to each other. If you know Java, you can also relate to Kotlin. They are really similar, and the Kotlin is inherited from Java, and the many things are similar to Java and C. You can easily understand them. I will share a few resources with you, a few YouTube links if possible, in the group itself. Is
Yeah,
the
okay,
doubt clear?
bro.
Yeah, cool.
Any other doubts or questions?
Yeah, Akhil. Yeah, come on, speak up, guys. Uh, Speak something if possible. Introduce yourself. I'm giving you the chance to introduce.
Bro, can you give us an intro about developer profile or developer website?
Developer. Google
US
developer
developer
profile.
websites. Yeah, it is in beta version. That is, it is in a testing. It is still in testing version. I can say that you cannot use 100% of its features currently. And you can see in the left side, you can view your profile, from which location you have got, and you can see your stats, how many badges you have, and you can put your favorite badge by clicking on add badge in this location. Has Chandu is in the core team, he has got DSC core team member badge, and now you have got DSC members badge. I have sent you the link, and in the downside there are all badges. There you can find the badges which come due to some completion of
राम जी
courses.
कैसा चल रहा जी रेती मोटा रेती
Your favorites.
हाँ हो गया
You can find those badges come by doing some activities in the Google's sites. Uh, this is similar to Quick Labs if you know about it. Quick Labs public profile. Yeah, anything. That's it. How can I access to the course? Yeah, I have shared some links. I will share once again the WhatsApp group. Nothing to worry about it. You can go to track one link. I will share once again. Where is this group? Yeah, guys, check these links. I will forward those links in the groups also. Need not to worry about it. Currently, you have to complete track one, unit one by the next session. If you have any doubts, I'm ready to take a doubt session tomorrow. If possible, I will take session tomorrow if you have any doubts regarding unit one. I'm ready to help you. Yeah,
Bro,
guys.
what is the
Anything
timings
more?
of the session?
Yeah,
Bro, what is the
yeah.
timings of the
Come
session?
tomorrow
Timings of the session,
or for
bro.
the next
Timings.
session. I didn't get you. Please put your question in the chat. I think there is some network problem
Session
from my
timings
side
will
Bro,
be
also.
timings
7
of the
to
session, bro.
8 only, no, bro. Session timings will be 7 to 8 only, no, bro.
Yeah, yes, yes. From 7 to 8, every session will be from 7 to 8. If you have any problem, I'm ready to change.
सर मैं मारेंगे इसमें
So this new to programming and prior to the both will have the same tracks. No, no.
Venki,
Uh,
you provide any assessment, any assessment?
no, nothing like that. All the assignments and quizzes are provided in those tracks itself. There is nothing additionally provided by us. We will provide some resources through which we learn if possible.
Okay, Chen.
Yeah, Madiha asked, so this new to programming and prior to both will have the same tracks. No, no, no. They don't have the same tracks. The course content and the quizzes are something different. And the prior to programming track have some advanced concepts compared to new to programming. And if you want to get the certificate from the Google, you have to complete prior to programming track. Uh, we need to complete both track. I recommend you to complete both tracks because many students don't have a good knowledge of Kotlin. Even me myself and Chandu don't have the good knowledge of Kotlin. We recommend you to take both the tracks. If you feel you are the best in the Android development in Java, you can go to prior to programming. Refers to Kotlin or any language. New to programming refers to Kotlin itself, but those concepts will help you understand how you can build your syntax in Kotlin. Those are really good. I loved it. Once try again. Once try those labs, take those tracks and complete those units. Yeah, always welcome, Tarun. Yeah, any more doubts? Come on, guys. It's 8. I think we have to wrap up the session. If you want us to take a session on your doubts tomorrow, we are ready to take. If you have any doubts, please put in the group. We are ready to help you. And guys, if you don't want to participate, you can leave the group. There is nothing. There are no restrictions to you. Yeah, that's it from my side. And also, guys, I want to mention one point. We are too late to this program. That means due to our exams, we have postponed the session too long. Actually, we need to start the session by November 25th, I guess. We are nearly 1 month late. So nothing to worry. We can complete. We can complete if we have a strong dedication and we have prepared an amazing schedule. I will share you with. I will share the PPT with you soon. Yeah, and this is a schedule we have planned, and there is nothing to worry if you have a strong dedication. Yeah, guys, thank you. Thanks for joining in. Yeah, you can leave the session, and if you have the doubts, please stay back and clear all your doubts. Feel free to ask. If you don't want to talk, you can also chat. You chat the chat box. Come on.
Thank you, bro.
Welcome.
Yeah, you are always welcome, guys.
If you don't have
Guys, if you
any
have
doubts,
any,
you can leave.